Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, all of you. And take a what make a sentence website once again. Which what I can take today? Yes, fish. I had to catch fish, and I will show you how much fish I caught. And have a look. I catch this fish. Tell me how is looking and fresh fish. Okay. Now I will show our pond. As you know, I came home 2 days ago. I had to catch fish from this pond. It's a small pond, but we have a lot of fish, and most of the fish is small. That's why I had to catch fish from this pond. And now I will show you another. Now I will show you another beauty, village beauty. Looking awesome. Have a look. I'm standing beside the village road, and this route really busy, and most of the people look over there. That our village market, and lot of people came from morning market. They will buy fish, curry, and vegetable. We got everything fresh, and that's why most of the people came that market morning time. I really love village beauty, and now I will show you goat tea. My mom planted this goat tea, and look over there, one goat hanging, and that goat I will cut right now because my wife will cook goat and fish, and really fresh and green, and that's why I love too much, and I will cut this goat, and I like goat because it's a good vegetable. Now I have to finish here, and if Almighty wants you soon next video, and please tell me how is fresh this goat, and really likable. As you know, I'm an English learner. That's why I'm learning, and I try to speak every place, and because it's my duty, and I have to learn. Please follow my Facebook page to get more videos. If you follow my Facebook page, I will be very grateful to you. Best wishes for everyone, and best of luck for everyone.